Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT artificial intelligence tutorial. In this chapter we discuss and learn about how ChatGPT work and how can we use it. I open the software and log on ChatGPT. Now I am asking any question from it. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It's field of computer science and engineering that focus on the creation of intelligent agents, which are the system that can reason, learn, and act independently. The goal of AI research is to create technologies that can simulate arguments human intelligence, such as ability to learn, solve problem, and make decision. There are many difficult approach of AI include machine learning, natural language process, and robotics, which can use to build wide range of system and behaviors. Let's ask another questions for it. What is the robotics? Robotic is branch of engineering that deal with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are automated or semi-automated machines that can be programmed to perform variety of tasks such as manufacture, assembling, transportations, inspection, and any other things. Industry, commercial, domestic setting, robotic technology is used to wide range application including manufacture, transportations, healthcare, military, and many others. That's the way of ChatGPT. Mostly people like because it's AI based and help you any questions you ask them, they give you answer of that proper way. And if you have any query like blog writing, content writing, content writing, anything, they help you about it and guide you. Let's I am ask any other questions. I am asked one question in math. Let's. What is the 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 equal is 4. Now another question I ask for math. Let's give answer. Who is the founder of computer? The concept of computer has been around many centuries. Various people have continued to develop modern computer. However, the first person built mechanical computer was Charles Babbage, who was known as the father of computer. Babbage designed the machine called Analytic Engine 80, which has general purpose mechanical computer was able to perform wide range of calculations. Analytical engine was never built Babbage lifetime. Its idea led to foundation of development computer, other important figures, history of computer. These are the concept of AI. Let's ask another question. Who is the founder of AI? AI is the field of study long complex history as many contribution development. Some of the key figure AI contributor Alan Turing, who is the pioneer of the computer science. As any questions come in your mind, they mostly give you answers of the questions related to your queries. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.